Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here.
My name is Sarah.
And I'm Jake.
Today's topic is very important for everyone.
We're learning how to ask for help.
Asking for help in English.
This is a crucial skill you need.
Everyone needs help sometimes in life.
And knowing how to ask is essential.
Let's start with the simplest phrase.
The most basic way, can you help me?
Everyone, repeat. Can you help me?
Perfect. Now say, can you help me, please?
Adding please makes it more polite.
Politeness is very important when asking help.
Another way, could you help me?
Could is more polite than can.
Let's practice. Could you help me, please?
Excellent. This sounds very polite and respectful.
Now, a more direct way. I need help.
This clearly states you need assistance now.
Everyone say, I need help, please.
Good. You can also say, I need your help.
This is more personal and direct.
Let's practice, I need your help, please.
Perfect. Now let's learn specific situations.
Different situations need different phrases.
First situation, you're lost and need directions.
Being lost is scary, but happens often.
You can say, I'm lost. Can you help?
Everyone, repeat, I'm lost. Can you help?
Or say, excuse me, I need directions.
Excuse me is a polite way to start.
Let's practice. Excuse me, I need directions.
Great. You can add, I can't find my hotel.
Everyone say, I can't find my hotel.
Or, where is the nearest subway station?
Asking where questions helps you get directions.
Let's practice, where is the train station? Perfect.
Second situation, you don't understand something.
Not understanding is completely normal when learning.
You can say, I don't understand.
Everyone, repeat, I don't understand.
Or ask, can you explain that again?
Explain means to make something clear.
Let's practice. Can you explain that, please?
Good. You can also say, what does that mean?
This asks for the meaning of something.
Let's say together, what does that mean?
Excellent. Another useful phrase, can you repeat that?
Repeat means to say something again.
Everyone, practice. Can you repeat that, please?
Perfect. You can request, please speak more slowly.
When someone talks too fast, say this.
Please speak more slowly.
Great. Third situation. You need something done.
Like opening the jar or fixing something.
You can say, can you open this?
Everyone, repeat, can you open this, please?
Or ask, could you fix this for me?
Fix means to repair something broken.
Let's practice. Could you fix this, please?
Good. You might say, can you show me?
When you want someone to demonstrate something.
Everyone say, can you show me how?
Perfect. Fourth situation. You need information.
Information like time, price, or location.
You can ask, can you tell me?
This is very polite and common.
Let's practice. Can you tell me the time?
Good. Or ask, do you know where?
Everyone say, do you know where the bathroom is?
Excellent. You can also ask, what time is it?
This is direct and perfectly fine.
Let's practice, what time is it, please?
Great. Fifth situation. You need physical help.
Like carrying something heavy or reaching high.
You can say, can you help me carry this?
Everyone, repeat, can you help me carry this?
Or ask, could you reach that for me?
When something is too high to reach.
Let's practice. Could you reach that, please?
Perfect. You might say, can you hold this?
When you need someone to hold something.
Everyone say, can you hold this, please?
Excellent. Now let's learn emergency phrases.
Emergencies require immediate help and attention.
In emergencies, say, "Help! I need help."
Loud and clear gets people's attention fast.
Everyone practice loudly. "Help! I need help."
Good. For medical emergencies, call an ambulance.
Or say, "I need a doctor."
Let's practice, I need a doctor, please.
Perfect. If someone's hurt, someone is hurt.
This alerts people to the emergency.
Everyone say, "Someone is hurt. Call 911."
In America, 911 is the emergency number.
Different countries have different emergency numbers.
But people will understand emergency.
Let's practice, "This is an emergency."
Excellent. Now, let's learn polite endings.
After someone helps, always say, "Thank you."
Gratitude is very important in any culture.
Everyone say, "Thank you so much."
Or say, I really appreciate your help.
Appreciate means to be grateful for something.
Let's practice, I appreciate your help.
Perfect. You can also say, "You're very kind."
This compliments the person who helped.
Everyone say, "You're very kind. Thank you."
Great. If they can't help, that's okay too.
You can say, "That's okay. Thank you anyway."
Anyway shows you appreciate them trying.
That's okay. Thank you anyway.
Excellent! Now let's practice full conversations.
Real conversations using everything we learned.
I'll start. You're lost. Ask for help.
"Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help?"
Of course. Where do you need to go?
"I need to find Central Park, please."
Go straight, then turn left on Main Street.
"Can you repeat that, please?"
Sure. Straight ahead, left on Main Street.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Perfect conversation. Let's try another one.
This time, you don't understand something.
I'll be the teacher. You're the student.
Okay, I'm ready.
Please open your books to page 50.
Excuse me, I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
What does page 50 mean?
Page 50 means the 50th page.
Can you show me, please?
Sure. Look, here's page 50.
Thank you. I understand now.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Let's try one more situation.
This time, you need something opened.
I'll ask you for help.
Okay, go ahead and ask.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Can you open this jar, please?
Sure. Let me try. There you go.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. Happy to help.
Perfect. Now let's review important phrases.
Yes, let's go through everything again.
Basic phrases. Can you help me?
Could you help me, please?
I need help.
I need your help, please.
When lost. I'm lost. Can you help?
Excuse me, I need directions.
When confused. I don't understand.
Can you explain that, please?
What does that mean?
Can you repeat that, please?
Please speak more slowly.
For tasks, can you open this?
Could you fix this, please?
Can you show me how?
For information, can you tell me?
Do you know where?
What time is it, please?
Physical help. Can you help me carry this?
Could you reach that, please?
Can you hold this, please?
Emergencies. Help! I need help.
Call an ambulance.
I need a doctor.
This is an emergency.
Gratitude. Thank you so much.
I appreciate your help.
You're very kind. Thank you.
That's okay. Thank you anyway.
That's a lot of useful phrases.
Now you can ask for help confidently.
Remember, asking for help is not weakness.
It's smart and shows you want to learn.
Everyone needs help sometimes in life.
Even native speakers ask for help daily.
Don't be shy or embarrassed ever.
People usually want to help you.
Most people are kind and helpful.
Especially when you ask politely.
Always use please and thank you.
Politeness opens doors and hearts.
Now let's practice some special situations.
Yes, more specific scenarios you might face.
At a restaurant, can you recommend something?
Everyone say, "Can you recommend something?"
At a store, can you help me find this?
Let's practice, "Can you help me find this?"
At the airport, where is gate 20?
Everyone say, "Where is gate 20?"
In a taxi, can you take me to the hotel?
Let's practice, "Can you take me here?"
On the street, do you speak English?
This helps you find someone who understands.
Everyone say, do you speak English?
Perfect.
At a hotel, I have a problem.
This starts the conversation about your issue. Let's practice, "I have a problem."
Then explain, the shower doesn't work.
Or, "I need more towels, please."
Everyone say, I need more towels.
Great.
On public transport, does this go to...
This asks if the bus or train goes there. Let's practice, "Does this go to downtown?"
Perfect. At the doctor, I don't feel well.
This tells them you're sick. Everyone say, "I don't feel well."
Then explain, my stomach hurts.
Or, "I have a headache." Let's practice, "I have a headache."
Excellent. Now let's learn cultural tips.
Culture affects how we ask for help.
In English-speaking countries, directness is okay.
You don't need to apologize excessively.
Just be polite with please and thank you.
Eye contact shows respect and sincerity.
Smile when asking for help.
A smile makes people more willing to help.
Wait for the right moment to interrupt.
Say, "Excuse me," before asking strangers.
Don't touch people when asking for help.
Keep a respectful distance, about arm's length.
If someone can't help, accept it gracefully.
Say thank you anyway and move on.
Don't get upset or angry ever.
Stay calm and polite always.
Now let's practice tone and voice.
How you say it matters too.
Speak clearly and not too fast.
Use a friendly, not demanding tone.
Let's practice the same phrase differently.
First, too demanding. "Help me now."
That sounds rude and demanding.
Now, politely. "Could you help me, please?"
Much better. Friendly and respectful.
Your tone changes everything completely.
Practice makes you sound more natural.
Now, everyone, practice asking for help.
Think of something you need help with.
Then say it out loud politely.
For example, can you help me understand this?
Or, "Could you explain this to me?"
Practice with friends or family.
Or practice in front of a mirror.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Soon it will feel completely natural.
Okay, everyone, let's review one final time.
Remember these key points always.
Always be polite with please.
Always say thank you after receiving help.
Use excuse me to get attention.
Speak clearly and not too fast.
Smile and make eye contact.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Most people are happy to help.
Asking for help is completely normal.
It shows you're smart and willing to learn.
Never feel embarrassed about asking help.
That's everything for today's lesson.
Now you can ask for help confidently.
Use these phrases in real life.
Practice every chance you get.
Thank you for listening to Talk More English.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Leave a comment with your favorite phrase.
We love hearing from you always.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Keep talking more English.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.